Hey, awesome TurboTax accountant, Mark Franke here. This is video number 3 for case number 1. Where we left off in our last video, we had just put in the alimony. We were looking at a federal refund of $21.74 up here. Now we need to go through the review process, but before we do that, let's take a look at a tool that is useful, and it's up here in the menu under the tab Tools, and it's Tax Summary. This is a handy little screen that will tell you what total income is, what adjustments are, adjusted gross income, and then taxable income, and then the amount due or refund. This is just a summary schedule of the tax return that you're preparing. So it's just a handy tool to use if you want to see everything at a glance. So the next thing we have to do is go through the review just to make sure that the program doesn't see any errors that are obvious. And so if you click on Review, and then Continue, it'll go through an analysis, and when it's complete, click Continue. Here's the numbers. $21.74 is the refund. We can continue without updating. So it's asking us if we had any virtual currency, and the answer is no. So we'll run Smart Check again, and there's no errors. So we'll click Continue. TurboTax has assessed the audit risk here, and as you can see, for Mr. Ogeron, the audit risk is low. So the last thing we need to do is to prepare a PDF file for you to submit. You won't be submitting this particular file because this is just for practice, but you will have case 1-2 to submit and case 1-3, which will be the exam. So if we go to File and then Print Save for your records, and we'll click on Save a PDF. This window will come up, and you could just do the whole tax return, but it would be better, or I would prefer, that you just do specific forms. Makes it easier for me to grade your homework and your exam. And what we want is Form 1040, Schedule 1, Schedule 2, and Schedule 3, Schedule SE, and Form 8995. So those are 6 forms that we specifically want, that I want you to submit. Save as PDF. It will ask you where you want it to be saved. I will put it on my Z drive here, and this will be case 1-1. You can name it whatever you like, and that will save it. And if I go to that file Open it up. It will look like this. So make sure you check yours before you submit it, just to make sure it has the 1040, Schedule 1, Schedule 2, Schedule C, and Schedule SE, and Form 8995. That's all for case number 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.